अस्सलामुअलैकुम क्लास 9th बायोलॉजी के प्यारे स्टूडेंट्स। बॉटनी स्टडी हब यूट्यूब चैनल में आपका दिल से खुश आमदीद। अगर आपने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, लाइक करें और बेल आइकॉन प्रेस करें ताकि हर नई वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन मिलती रहे। आज हम साइंस एज अ कोलैबोरेटिव फील्ड और साइंटिफिक मेथड के टॉपिक्स को डिटेल से समझेंगे। ये टॉपिक्स आपके बोर्ड एग्जाम्स के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हैं। खास तौर पे पंजाब बोर्ड के एग्जाम में इससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन जरूर आते हैं। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। पहली इमेज, साइंस एज अ कोलैबोरेटिव फील्ड। 1.5 साइंस एज अ कोलैबोरेटिव फील्ड। Science is a collaborative field in which researchers from various disciplines work together to solve complex problems. Interdisciplinary teams can tackle problems more efficiently by leveraging the strengths and expertise of each discipline. It often leads to quicker and sustainable solutions. उर्दू, साइंस एक कोलैबोरेटिव फील्ड है जिसमें डिफरेंट डिसिप्लिन्स के रिसर्चर्स मिलकर कॉम्प्लेक्स प्रॉब्लम्स सॉल्व करते हैं। इंटरडिसिप्लिनरी टीम्स ज्यादा एफिशिएंट होती हैं और बेटर सॉल्यूशंस देती हैं। 1. Human Genome Project. The Human Genome Project aimed to sequence and map the entire human genome. This project was completed in 2003. It involved researchers from various disciplines, including molecular biology, genetics, informatics, and computer science. Urdu. Human Genome Project पूरी human genome को sequence और map करने के लिए था। 2003 में complete हुआ। इसमें molecular biology, genetics, informatics और computer science के researchers शामिल थे। 2. Climate change research. Climate change requires collaboration among many disciplines, such as atmospheric science, ecology, economics, sociology. These disciplines work together to understand causes, impacts, and solutions for climate change. This leads to better policies and sustainable future. Urdu. Climate change research में atmospheric science, ecology, economics और sociology मिलकर काम करते हैं ताकि causes, impacts और solutions समझ सकें। 3. Medical research. Medical research often depends on interdisciplinary collaboration. For example, cancer research involves oncologists, biologists, biochemists, geneticists, pharmacologists, statisticians. Together, they develop better diagnosis, treatments, and medicines. Urdu. Medical research में different experts मिलकर better diagnosis, treatments और medicines बनाते हैं। 4. Robotics and Artificial Intelligence, AI. Robotics and AI is highly interdisciplinary. It involves computer science, engineering, mathematics, neuroscience, and psychology. This collaboration has led to significant advancements in robotics, autonomous vehicles, machine learning, natural language processing. Urdu. रोबोटिक्स और AI बहुत interdisciplinary हैं। इससे autonomous vehicles, machine learning जैसे advancements हुए हैं। 5. Space exploration. Organizations like NASA and ISS involve scientists from various fields, such as astrophysics, planetary science, engineering, biology, medicine. These collaborations enable scientists to investigate the cosmos and understand the universe. Urdu. Space exploration में astrophysics, biology, medicine, etc. के scientists मिलकर cosmos explore करते हैं। Key points. Science is more effective when different disciplines work together. Interdisciplinary collaboration leads to quick, efficient, and sustainable solutions. Examples include genome mapping, climate studies, medical research, robotics, and space exploration. Collaboration helps in solving global problems and improving human life. अब दूसरी इमेज, 1.6 scientific method. Scientists take specific steps for doing scientific work or research. These steps are called the scientific method. For biological research, these steps are called biological methods. The following steps are involved. 1. Recognition of a scientific problem. 2. Observation. 3. Hypothesis. 4. Deduction. 5. Experiments. 6. Results. Urdu. Scientific method के steps हैं problem recognition, observation, hypothesis, deduction, experiments, results. 1. Recognition of a problem. Identifying and defining a scientific problem that scientist wants to investigate. 2. Observation. Scientists make observations using 5 senses. They also study previous researches. Observations may be qualitative or quantitative. Qualitative involve observations that cannot be expressed with numbers, color, texture. Quantitative Involve measurements or numbers, number of birds. 3. Hypothesis. On the basis of observations, scientists develop a statement that may prove the answer of the scientific problem. It is a tentative answer. Characteristics. Proposed statement matches observations, can be tested, can be disproved. 4. Deduction. Logical results from hypotheses, usually in if-then form. 5. Experiments. Carefully designed to test the hypothesis. Scientists collect data. 6. Results. Analyzed and interpreted. If support hypothesis, it may be accepted. If not, modified or new hypothesis proposed. Key points. Scientific method is a systematic way to solve problems. It helps in finding accurate and reliable results. It is used in all branches of science. It leads to better understanding and improved life. Example. A biologist notices plants growing taller than usual and develops a problem. What factors are responsible for the increased growth? Urdu. Scientific method systematic way है problem solve करने का. Observation qualitative या quantitative हो सकती है. Hypothesis testable होता है. Experiments से results आते हैं जो hypothesis को support या reject करते हैं. Dear students of Botany Study Hub, इन topics को अच्छे से revise करें. Collaborative science के examples और scientific method के 6 steps याद करें. पंजाब बोर्ड एग्जाम के लिए ये बहुत important है. Channel को subscribe, like और comment करना ना भूलें. Best of luck. Study smart, score high. Allah Hafiz and thank you for watching.